Hello dear students. In this present video, we will continue from the last video which was related to the second unit of MIS, which was MIS concept, role and its importance. In the last video, we have already discussed about the different types of MIS. In this section, we will discuss about the classification of MIS based on its decision making or decision taking capabilities. So the first one under this classification is data bank information system. In this kind of system, there is a very weak relation between user and system. The system collects data, classifies it, and stores it in the storage. These data are useful for the user, and when user requests to the system, then data is provided by the system. But the decision making is solely of user based on his judgment. The second classification of information system on the basis of decision making capability is predictive information system. This is the extension of data bank information system. In this kind of system, predictions are provided by the information system to the decision making system. Here, the processing system is in itself the information system, and user is considered as a decision making system. After the processing, what if question is asked by the decision making system, and the predictions are provided by the information system in the form of if then. Final decision is taken by the user. The third classification is decision making information system. In such kind of information system, there is use of operation research models and various kinds of constraints and choices are included in the information system. These information systems are developed with the capability of providing various alternative of choices for the decision maker. The solutions are provided by the information system, and user may or may not take actions on the basis of best selected alternative. The last classification of information system is decision taking information system. In this information system, the information system and decision making system or user is considered one, which means a system in itself is the decision maker. The example of such system is the inventory management system used in various manufacturing units where when the stock automate when the stock reaches to reorder point, the system automatically communicates with the purchase department by sending them information related to stock availability. Now this was all about the classification of information system. Now in the concluding part of this unit, we will move towards the characteristics of MIS. The first one is it is management oriented. It covers all the managerial aspects of organization. The second characteristic is MIS is management directed, which means it is supervised at different levels of management. The third characteristic is there is use of subsystem approach, means the system is divided into number of subsystems and each subsystem functions as a system. The fourth characteristics of MIS is that it integrates all the subsystems and departments in the organization, and it provides a common data flow for all the levels of organization. The next characteristic is there is a heavy planning element in the development of MIS. A development of MIS takes number of years, and sometimes in the organization it's a ever continuing process. The other important characteristics of MIS is that it should be flexible, which means if the changes taking place in the business environment, then there should be the scope for modification of information system. So students, these were the characteristics of MIS. In the last section of this unit, briefly we will point out the importance of MIS. The main importance of MIS is that timely decision making is possible because of information management. There is a common data flow for all the levels of organization. The decision making is fast, which gives added advantage to organization. With the use of MIS, informations can be categorized according to their uses, importance and requirement at different levels. The implementation of MIS makes running of management process very smooth. The use of MIS in the organization prevents data redundancy, which means same data is not required to be stored at different locations in the organization. So the implementation of MIS prevents redundancy of data. One of the foremost importance of MIS is that there is always a chance to modify the MIS according to changing needs and requirements. So students, this was all about the second unit, which was MIS concept, role and importance. Hope it will work for you. With the succeeding unit, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.